to petrify. My skin is hard. You're taking away.
Buh! Hades is a bitch. Huh? Please! Widow, you're supposed to be my kill, you fucking dumb bitch!
One punch, one kill.
I like to be bouncing.
What do you mean by that?
Even death.
Buh!
Enjoy.
3 kills remaining.
Hide from my sight.
Hi, how are you?
The stuff of legends. A world lost. 10 kills remaining. Hellfire rains from above.
Little girls have no place on the battlefield.
Buh!
Rains from above.
A little surprise.
Fucking shoot, I'm whipping! Oh my god, I could've died. What the fuck?
Where you going? You're lost. Dollar Tree headset, so free.
Can I shoot that bitch midair? We get the same playing field as you, bitch. Never mind. That's a bad idea.
Another one.
5 kills remaining. You're close.
No one can hide.
Bye bye.
Only 2 kills remaining.
Dude, when? Dude, I'm trying to. Okay.
My skin is hard.
Dude, please let me get this. Just let me get this shit. Dude, these guys are fucking assholes. I was trying to get a 360. That's so fucking bad. Boo!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Does that count? I'm not even sure if that counts.